Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to dig out my spring bulbs and store them up until winter. I planted these bulbs in February. They started blooming in April. As you can see in this picture, Narcissus and Muscari are blooming. Then my tulips started to bloom and it was an awesome display in April and May and followed by alliums in June. I really like the blooms, but I want to plant them differently next year, so that's why I am digging up. Normally, if I want them to grow in the same place, I don't need to dig them up and I can let them stay in the soil, in the container, or in the ground, and they should start growing for me next season and bloom next year. But I want to plant them differently, so I decided to dig them up and store them. I have already dug Narcissus, Muscari and Tulips, and now I'm digging up alliums. I had 10 Narcissus, 5 Tulips, 7 to 8 Muscaris and loads of alliums. So allium bulbs are quite small, as you can see, and it's very easy to dig them up. Basically, you just need to go with your trowel a little bit further away from the bulbs and just pull them gently and they should come out very easily. Their foliage is still attached because they were blooming in June and they are just faded now. So I will lay them in a well ventilated, warm, sunny place where they can get dry. So here you can see the bulbs which I dug a couple of days earlier. These are Narcissus, Muscaris and Tulips, and they are pretty dry now. So I'm going to clean them. I will use a kitchen towel, or you can use any rag or a brush, soft brush, to clean the dust of the bulbs. So you need to gently clean the dirt off the bulb, and you should not wash them, because if you do wash them and they are not dried properly, they can get fungus. So I'm going to use this box to store my bulbs. You can use any cardboard box or you can use paper bags. So basically, I'm going to clean the dirt off the bulb using a kitchen towel gently, and then I'll put my bulbs in this box. So I'm going to store almost all the bulbs in this box, so I will layer them up. So first I'm going to do my Narcissus bulbs. Narcissus bulbs are quite big and quite distinctive from other bulbs. So as you can see, this bulb, when I planted it, it was one bulb, and during the season it has grown and there are two bulbs now. So sometimes you can find more than one bulbs attached together and you can split them, so you will have more bulbs for next season. So first I'm going to do all my Narcissus bulbs in this way. I have cleaned all my Narcissus bulbs and there were like 15-16 bulbs in total, and I planted 10 Narcissus bulbs, so it's good to have more bulbs grown during the season. Now I'm cleaning my tulip bulbs. Tulip bulbs are smaller than Narcissus but still quite big, and they are quite different from Narcissus bulbs. So I can identify all my bulbs, so I'm not going to label them. I just put a layer of kitchen towel on the top of my Narcissus bulbs, and now I'm going to put my tulip bulbs. And after cleaning all my tulip bulbs, I am going to put another layer of kitchen towel on top of my tulip bulbs, and then I can make another layer of Muscari bulbs. So here you can see the Muscari bulb is quite small, much smaller than tulips and Narcissus. So I'm going to cut the stem off, and I'm going to clean the skin gently with the kitchen towel, and I'm going to place them on the top of my kitchen towel. So this way I can keep them separate from each other and they can all go in this box. However, you can store them individually in small boxes and label them. These are couple of muscari seeds which fell off the seed pods, so I may collect some muscari seeds and sow them uh, just for an experiment to see if they germinate, or if they do germinate, how long they take to grow from muscari seeds. So all these bulbs are done now, and I will not do alliums today. I will let them dry for a couple of days and then I will store them in a different box the same way. Here I'm going to sow some muscari seeds. So this is a muscari seed pod. You can see it's quite good. And basically when I was cleaning my bulbs, some of the seeds fell off the seed pod. So I thought, why not plant them? So this is the seed pod and it's quite open and dry now. When you shake it, the seeds fell off it quite easily. So there are quite lots of seeds here, so I can sow some of the seeds and I can store some of them for later. So I'm going to collect my seeds and I have got a cup filled with compost which is quite moist and nice and loose. So after collecting my seeds, I will just sprinkle them on the top of my soil surface and press them in their place and lightly cover them with a little bit more soil. So it's the end of June now. We can still sow some seeds, but I don't have any idea how long it will take them to germinate and what to expect after that. So it will be quite a fun experiment to see them grow, if they do grow. So I will keep you updated about their progress. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.